Hey team, this is Brian, Tech 890. I'm here with Mr. Garcia's existing 100,000 BTU, 80% efficiency system. There's the condensate pump. Got the return back here. Going up into his ductwork. Access point would be the store. Going around, we'll be replacing his fan-powered humidifier with a large bypass humidifier. There's a broken humidistat and his return into the ductwork. Mr. Garcia has baffles and dampers that haven't been fully utilized, so if we could educate Mr. Garcia and Ms. Garcia on proper usage and timing of the year for these, they would be incredibly happy. 890 out.